snakes have one thing in common. They are a type of lizard that lost their legs as they developed elongated bodies. They may look similar to the untrained eye, but their evolution is highly varied.
Somewhere about 100 million years ago or so, snakes evolved into inhabiting different environments. They were burrowers, they were swimmers, and the body itself, the actual vertebral column and the ribs and that muscular system, that becomes the method of locomotion. That becomes their means of moving around.